Namaste, I'm Aman Bodhan. Frankly, what useful are features that have no real benefit to you? Thus, we at Wesmarc collaborated with industry professionals to create a super door that have real useful benefits to you. Whatever be the industry, space or building type, Wesmarc has a tailor-made solution that best suit your application with features that have real benefits. For the hospitality and the medical sector, where wheelchairs, trolleys and stretchers are common, we have push plates, kick plates, frame corner guards that ensure lasting durability. Hotels in specific benefits because Wesmarc doors are compatible with post-digital locks, peepholes or eye views, chain accessories, stainless steel thresholds, and other specific door closers and other solutions that are specifically required for hotels. The education sector, including schools, benefits from the easy to open and close design and the inherent built-in mechanical strength of our doors. Our low maintenance, high load bearing, durable hinges are great for high traffic environments like retail spaces, commercial spaces, showrooms and offices. In particular, for residential spaces, our concealed security doors, multi-point locking systems and a solid thick 45mm door shutter ensures perfect security and peace of mind. So no matter the application or setting, Wesmarc Super Doors are adaptable to your needs. No doubt, our solutions have features, but they also have real benefits that are useful for you.